den går du hen. Se om du kan komme forbi
Ja,
den.
det kan jeg ikke, der står... Det kan jeg ikke, der står 3 betjente derhenne, og der står en de steder at vælte den. Og de har alle sammen kæmpe guns, det er ulig vildt, mand.
Et forsøg. Det var lige sendt, at vi stopper, der ligger en weekend. Så kan vi godt lige tage den.
Hello, sir.
Hi.
Are you
Det er
the
gruppen, der styrer
lawyer
sagen.
I'm waiting for?
Hang on. I need to...
Can we help you medically?
Yeah, I'm here for my client. Do you speak Danish?
Alright. Sorry?
Do you speak Danish
What
or
are you doing
only
in here,
English?
Only English, sure.
Okay, that's fine.
I'm on my...
Yeah, I'm here for my client.
Could you... okay. Yeah, sure. I'm just gonna let you inside. This gonna do then is check you for any illegal items which could hurt us or make sure this guy gets freed. And I'm just gonna check your criminal record, and if that's alright, you're allowed to go in.
Okay, that's fine.
Nu så.
Alright. I'm just gonna restrain you for a second to check everything.
Okay. Jeg over det hele, Hans. Det går ikke.
Just gonna check your license, and your name, so that I know who you are.
My name is Wolf. My name is Wolf.
Hey, Milo, tillykke med Chief of Police i de der 3 uger, hvor Rexian er væk. Congratulations.
Will you please unrestrain me again, officer? Would you please unrestrain me again, officer?
We're working on it, but we can't do it right now.
Why?
Hvad sker der?
But we're bringing a car, we want you to jump into it and then jump out again. Can you jump into it? Okay, and then jump out.
Hvad sker der?
There you go, sir. You seem to be alright. You can enter the police station under my escort, and you will have some minutes with your client.
Okay, thank you.
Follow me, sir. Right, sir. Your client is over here.
Yeah.
I do have to say I need to be staying at a distance, so I can check what you're doing and that you're not freeing him. But other than that, you can talk to him about whatever you want.
Okay, normal procedure. I get a room with only him and me.
Ja, du vil gerne have 10 minutter alene
Yes,
med
we
mig.
could also arrange that. I will escort him down to one of the rooms.
Emilio?
I'm a cartography copy. So I can't handle a small room. So this
Well,
is too
sir,
small.
that's
This is
not
too
my
small.
concern, actually.
Help! This is too small.
You can be in the corner if you need to.
Thank you.
Sound muted. Sound resumed.
Nå, Hansen, er du der?
Ja.
Ja, Jeg skal den igen. I er på politijagt, og så bliver skyder, så tager I en til fange, og så kommer politiet.
Ja.
Så stikker I af, så åbner I begge to ild efter politiet.
Ja.
Og I er langt væk fra, da I skyder efter politiet. Det er ikke sådan lige rundt om hjørnet på bygninger og sådan noget?
Nej.
Nej, okay.
Der er lidt afstand mellem os og politiet.
Ham den anden, han dør. Ham din ven, han dør.
Ja, og det gør jeg jo.
Okay, og hvordan bliver du fanget med et våben på dig?
Jeg dør jo, og så looter de mig bagefter. Og tager det fra mig. Så der er masser af fingeraftryk på den.
Okay, vi kan prøve at gribe den lidt an på to måder. Vi kan prøve at gribe den anden på, ja, du har et ulovligt våben, men de har ikke nogen beviser for, at det rent faktisk er dig, der har skudt.
Ja.
Hvis det er sådan.
Ja. Tak.
Så den anden ting, det er, at vi kan prøve at gribe den anden på den måde, at du også har været gidsel hos ham den anden, og det er ham den anden har prøvet at gidsle, og han har rent faktisk har plantet den pistol på dig.
Ej, vi tager sgu den første.
Ja, det tror jeg også, den er mest sikker.
Ja.
Hey, officer.
It's too close to
talk for
me. Help. Get me out. Please. No.
Could you please take my client out?
Alright,
We want to find out
is
what...
your time up with your clients?
Yeah, I have talked with my client a little bit now.
Hvis vi skal i retten, ikke, så skal det der med i retten. At han sætter mig ind i et rum. Selvom jeg siger flere gange, at jeg er klar på fint. Help me, please.
I will give you some water, sir, don't worry.
Hvis vi skal i retten, ikke, så ryger det med i retten. Er du med på det?
Ja.
Ulf. I need to get out this handcuffs. I need to drink it. After.
I can make you drink. Here. Some water, man.
Thank you.
Right. So, basically, the charges for this man are attempted murder of 2 police officers and robbery. So, the jail time would for that would be 60 minutes or 60 years. Sorry.
In jail. Yeah, okay. I know that. Okay, first of all, I would like to say my client is not guilty. And what do you say if guilty? To try to shoot two officers and to rob a man. First of all,
yes,
I would like to talk with the witness that have been robbed, or the guy that have been robbed.
Right. Yeah. We do not really know where the witness is because we need to chase him down because he was fleeing from us. The witness has been helped by the medics and then was sent on his way into the wide open world. So
then you need to find a witness again, because I would like to talk with that witness and find out exactly is it gonna be my client or the other client, because the problem is right now is my client is totally have done nothing wrong, because he has told me the other person he was with you have killed is the guy that actually were robbing the other guy and shooting after the cops. The second thing I would like to know, if my clients try to shoot after the cop, will he not have doing is I need to see a weapon. Hello, officer, are you there?
yes, I'm here. I did hear that. We seized 2 weapons, 2 rooks.
Yeah, I need to see these 2 pistols. You need to have some evidence.
I do have to say, you are not allowed to touch the evidence.
No, that's
when
fine.
I'm going to get it.
Yeah, I would like to see them. I would like to see these 2 evidence.
Alright. We do have to say that we have got 2 dash cams on our vehicles which recorded it all. They recorded this guy and some other guy shooting at us, so you really have to pull your hardest to make sure he doesn't go into jail.
Yeah. Just want to see some evidence. Hvidkål.
Ja.
Han lige sagt, at han havde 2 kameraer på bilen. Bilerne var jo mega langt væk, var det ikke?
Ej, ikke så mega langt væk. Men det sigter... På det spørg om kameraerne, jeg sigter lige ud, fordi jeg stod skråt over for bilen. Så den kunne ikke have filmet mig.
Jamen, I har været langt væk fra den, da de har skudt her, ikke?
Nej.
Det var det, jeg spurgte om før, du skulle sige ja til, jo.
Nå.
Hvor langt væk har I været?
Sådan... Det er over til døren derovre, eller sådan noget.
Ja, det er jo ikke langt nok. Det
Der
skulle
var
være
jeg sådan.
mindst 100 meter.
There it is on the floor. Do not pick it up, or else you will get immediately tased and restrained and taken into prison.
Jeg siger, at det kun er en af dem. Jeg vil gerne se
Okay,
den anden.
officer, I'm going to take the gun up now and check if there are magazine inside it. Is that okay?
Du sagde ikke noget,
Officer, I'm going to take the gun up and look if there's a mag inside the gun. Okay?
Sir, for all safety procedures, I've taken the magazine out because there were still bullets in there, so that you understand.
Okay, I would like to see the mag then.
I can actually give you the reference report of the DNA test, which was
No,
been
I would like to see the magazine.
I'm going to show you the evidence, which is evidence part 1A2, which
I would like to see the magazine that's been inside the gun.
Sir, you're going to get what we can provide you.
Because as it right now, you're giving me a gun without bullets and out magazine. You can stay there and say that against the law and against the right. I need to see.
It's against the law. It's against the law to leave a loaded gun inside an evidence bag.
It's not loaded. The gun is not loaded right now. It's empty. And if I'm going to do this, if you're going to make
I think you do not understand the Book of Laws.
Yes, I am. Yes, I am understand. Yes, I'm understand the Book of Law, because we need to do this the right way. As it is right now, as it is right now, I see an empty gun, and with an empty gun, my client cannot have shot after a police officer.
Right. I'm gonna go down to the evidence lab, and I'm gonna get the magazine.
Yeah,
Mr.
okay.
Officer Yusuf, could you guard this attorney so he doesn't pick up my evidence?
Officer, what's your name? Officer, I would like to get all the things my client had on him that time when you got him.
They have been sent to the impounds together with his car. Probably
Then you don't
crushed
have.
and
You
slowed.
still need to have them, the evidence. That's always the rules.
Sir,
Always.
we have dash cams evidence. You do not want to see it, so that's something else that we don't have evidence.
Then I would like to see dash cams videos.
Alright, come over
So you
here
can
into
see
the
it
room.
in court. Officer Ruben.
Alright, come in here. As you can see, there's some laptops here. I've put them on the video.
No. Off game. You need to send me some videos on YouTube if you have one. You cannot just say you have it on your computer.
Alright, you just broke roleplay, man. I'm gonna just send him to jail because you're shit.
Sir, what's your name, please?
Right, sir, you're gonna be
what the
charged
hell?
for the attempted murder of 2 police officers and a
You
robbery.
cannot just send me
This
client
guy,
into jail.
unfortunately, this attorney
No.
just broke the play with
No,
him.
you will not come into jail, officer.
This is a little bit harsh for him because
Officer
he
Ruben,
isn't
stand
allowed
down
to
and come on the
like
radio,
this.
please.
But
Rupert, let's. Hey, Rupert, don't destroy it like this. Let's go on with the role play, and then
man.
do you like it's real?
Oh, this is the police parking site.
Fordi jeg ved, at han taber den her sag.
Hansen,
Ja.
gør appet færdig. Hvis du har noget klage over, kom op i support bagefter.
Ja, men det er han, der vil til at sende mig i fængsel for ikke en skid nu.
Can you please get out of the building,
Ja, men så
or you
find ud
will
af,
be
hvad du har
restrained?
på dig, så får du kompenseret, hvis det er rigtigt, det du siger. Få video på det. Kom op i support bagefter. Gør dit update
Jamen,
færdigt.
yes.
Ha' det
Jamen, kan du godt se, at jeg
Ha' det
sætter
hele...
2 skråstreger foran?
Hansen,
2 skråstreger
ha'
betyder out of roleplay.
Hansen, tag det hele ud af... Hansen, tag update på din side. Kom op i support. Boom. Ikke længere. Gør det færdigt.
Or you're not supposed to park inside the police HQ. This is a private police parking spot.
I just want to switch
Okay,
to
officer,
other cars.
could you please get the rest of the things my client have on him, so I can see them?
None of these cars are yours, sir. Get into your car and park it outside at least. You're not supposed to park outside
Officer.
the private police parking spot.
Hello, Rupert?
So what? Fuck, no.
Get into your car and drive it outside now, or you will be
Who
restrained.
the fuck is this? Det
You
er
will be
meget,
restrained, sir. Not running around. 5 seconds. 5,
Sir,
2, 1.
Mr. Wolf, if I'm correct, because Officer Ruben told me your name is Wolf. So, Mr. Wolf, according to the videos, just like he showed you the laptops over there, you can see the videos over there. If you're not happy with the videos on the laptops, you can,
Yeah,
and
but
you
I
want
can-
them
I
on
can
YouTube,
see- I can
you can demand for that on...
I can see on the video.
Sir, let me finish, please.
Yeah,
Let
okay.
me complete. If you want the videos on YouTube, you can ask for that in court. Or else, what we can do is, if I remember correctly, give me a minute. Officer Ruben, you shot down these 2 men and you injured them on the scene, didn't you?
Yes, I did.
Alright then, we can, there was a medic, he came and he helped them up.
Yes, there was.
Alright, do you remember the name of the medic?
Medic was called... This medic is called Thomas Wall.
Alright, I will see if I can find Mr. Thomas. You can ask him for yourself if you revived these 2 gentlemen and they oh, wait a minute, Officer Ruben, where are the bullets? Which the medics took out of the bodies?
Have a runner.
Is that the magazine
Sure.
that have been on the gun to my client? Officer, is that the magazine that have been on my client?
You're going to get a ticket for
So
illegal trespassing
these
in
are
this
the
police
bullets that were
station.
extracted out of your client's bodies. You still
Illegal
have the blood of your
trespassing.
clients on them. I'm going to
Well,
take them
because
for
we're
DNA
running
test
into
in
the
their labs.
That my car got
That's
stolen.
that's
And
not
you
what
get
I'm
the
asking
results
for.
in the
Wait
Officer,
outside the
please
gates.
answer my questions.
Wait outside the gate
Is
doesn't
that
really
magazine
work.
you taken
That
from
will-
the floor?
Well, you
Is
can scream
that
outside
magazine
the gate
found
for help,
on my
but you
client's
didn't. You
pistol?
just walked in there. It's not allowed.
Oh, okay. Okay, do you have an officer that's coming out and looking when there's one standing at
Yes,
the gate?
Currently we're all busy,
Yep.
but we would
Sir.
help you, yes, when we're
I
finished
got
rounding up.
Oh,
this.
Just
okay.
Thomas.
Yes.
Sorry for trespassing then. I was just gonna ask
Right.
tell the
What?
officers that my car got
Can you
stolen.
say again?
Right, I
I
still have
got
to give you
you
a ticket,
Thomas.
because I'm pretty sure you know it's not allowed to go trespassing. The ticket will be
No,
5,000.
that's why
You
I
have
ran
3
and
attempts to
I
pay the tickets.
don't know.
Sir, I did
okay.
not
You
take
did,
a magazine.
but,
If you noticed, I
you're
took
just
the
hiding
bullets
it
that were
from the truth.
extracted out of your
Really
out of
sad.
the client out of your client's
Yeah,
body.
but I still
these
wanna
bullets, they managed to-
see the magazine that have been in the pistol you have found on my clients.
I can't really hear you for the
Magazines
guy
of the
louding
pistol.
yelling over there. But just give me the ticket, and I'll see if I can pay it. I
Sir,
can
this
give
is
and
the
pay Just can't hear it.
this is the weapon that was found on your client.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
I'm going,
Right,
officer, I'm
sure,
now
that's
going to
what
check
you
the
out,
pistol
and
and
I'm
look
going
if
to
there's
bring it
magazine
outside the gates.
inside the pistols, okay? No, I cannot see that. I will still like to see a magazine.
No, sir, I cannot give you the weapon.
Okay, then you need to take the magazine out of the pistol and put the
Yes,
magazine
sir.
on the fucking floor.
Joseph, this is the medic.
Sir, why are you
Here's the magazine, sir.
shooting at
Okay.
police?
I would like to know, I would like to be sure, that's magazine right there, that's a full magazine. How can my client shoot from a gun with a full magazine? I would like to know that.
Sir, he probably reloaded, and that's when he was shot. I have no idea,
Sir,
Officer Ruben. Do you have the empty
just
magazines
be
of your
sure
client?
That
You
was
cannot
not
just say you don't found a
empty, that was a,
I was asking before, I
that
would
was
like
not
to
a
see
full
the
magazine.
rule.
There
Let
was
me
one bullet
talk.
out of it.
I would like to see all the evidence that have been on my client. You put down a gun and a single magazine. You don't give me all the
Yeah,
things.
but
I have
sir,
been asking
sir,
for this. Let
sir.
me talk, let me talk. I would like to see all the evidence. I have talked about all this evidence like 2, 4, 5 times now. And you only give me one gun with no magazine. Then you're putting a full magazine on the floor. How can my client
Sir,
shoot?
does your client have a firearm license?
No?
Sir, I just checked the database. I just checked my database. As a matter of fact, not me exactly. I asked another officer to check the database. Sorry. And apparently, your client is registered to be carrying a firearm in the first place.
Yeah,
So don't you kind of find it
Yeah, but we need to take that after we have taken 2 other cases.
Sure, just so you understand,
So let me
all
give
the
you-
evidence
let
we
me
tried
show
to
you
give
One
you,
of,
you just
please
denied.
talk one of you at the time. I cannot hear on both of you. And I would like to
Alright,
talk to
alright,
Ruben
Mr.
we are
because
giving-
because
speak.
it have been Ruben that have starting all this. Ruben have started all this. So I'd like to take this this case with
Sir,
Ruben
he's my
and not
senior
with,
officer.
Joseph.
Yes.
If he wants
Sir,
to
I'm
help
his
me and
senior
guide
officer,
us,
and the
then he's
second,
allowed.
and the yeah, first of all, I'm the senior officer. Second of all, you have been taking so much of his time that I needed to intervene so I can close this, so this case would be closed, and I can get my officer Ruben over here back on the street where he actually belongs. As a matter of fact, we all belong. We police officers are not supposed to do. We're not supposed to do investigations. We patrol.
Then
We
you
do
can
not
take.
investigate.
You can send the police lawyer to me. And get the police lawyer.
So there is no police lawyer.
Yes, there is. I have talked with the one before. Then you have plenty of time.
Well,
Then
we
you
don't
can-
have one at the moment.
Then you two can go out on the street
Yeah.
if I can talk with the police lawyer.
Mr. Officer Rubin, what is his client being charged with?
His client is being charged with 2 attempted of police murder and 1 robbery.
2 attempted murders, and 1 armed robbery. That is 40 years in prison. No, I'm sorry. That is 60 plus 20, 80 years in prison. I'm sorry, Ms. Officer Wolf, but just like I said, you're taking too much of me and my officer's time. So what will happen right now is we are going to send your clients temporarily to prison, and you can then you can take you can meet them back again in court, and over there you can deal with them. All right? You can prove them innocent. But just like I said before, I am not a judge. This is not a court. We are providing you evidence that we have them. Like this weapon right now, it does have his fingerprints on it. All the evidence will be taken to the lab. We are not liable to give the evidence to anybody apart from the police officers who were on scene, the police officers responsible of the case, and the lab. In the lab, they are going to check this evidence for DNA, fingerprints, and God knows what else. And then you can take them to court over there.
That's not the
You
normal
understand,
procedure.
sir?
The normal procedure is you're sending all the evidence to the lab after you have talked with the lawyer.
Yeah, but
No,
Sir,
sir.
I did talk to you, and we are
Okay,
talking
please
getting
talk
this
one of
aware.
please talk one of the
Just like
time.
I'm saying, you can take it to
Please
court.
talk one of the time.
Sir, this is taking too long of me and my officer's time. We need to keep the road safe. When half of us is in the police station right now, trying to deal with a simple case,
Then you can
only
stay
imagine
here.
how the streets will be.
Joseph, you can stay here and let the 2 other officers go out on the street.
They are part of the case.
No, they are.
Plus, I'm their senior officer. I have to be with them. So what is going to happen right now? Just like I said, we will temporarily send them to prison, and over there
That's
you
again.
can,
That's
and then
that's
you can
that
deal with
is the highest ranking officer standing and say, and you want to put my clients to jail and break the law? Is the police officer staying and say he wanted to break the law to send my clients into jail when he have not getting his right to get me to do his case? That's against the law.
So you
Sure,
can
that's
do his
called
case, and just like I said, you can do it in court, not with us. Because we will be sitting on one side of the court, you will be sitting on the other side with your clients, and over there you can prove them innocent. You cannot prove anything to us. Anyways, we were there. Just like I said, we were there. You cannot exactly prove anything to us.
I can prove lots of
That's
things.
true. We've just
So-
tried to send you all the evidence, but
User
you just
joined
denied
channel.
when I tried to give you all the evidence. You denied that it was
Sound
true.
muted.
But you
Sound
haven't
resumed.
given
Ja,
us a
So-
single reason why
Det
you
tager
should
godt
be
nok lang
innocent.
tid, den her sag.
Det er totalt fail af på deres
just
side
like
af,
Mr.
mand.
Ruben said over here, we did
Hold-
provide
hold
you
on,
the
beviser på
evidence,
det.
you did not disprove the evidence to us, that they do
De
not match
kan ikke bare stå og
your
sige, bare fordi de ikke har tid,
that
så
they
sender
do
de
not
ham i
match your
fængsel, fordi de
clients
ikke
over
gider sidde
here.
og bruge
So what will
RP-tid på
happen,
det.
we'll send the
Vi
evidence
kan
to
bare vente,
prison,
bare vente.
to
Hvem
lab,
gør det?
and
Så
your
tager vi den
client
bagefter med-
temporarily to prison,
med
and
sager
over
og
there you
You,
can
need
take
to
them
put
to
him
court
on
and deal
hold
with
on.
it later.
Og jail hvis der.
Officer Ruben, make sure they have food and water and escort them to the prison bus. Mr.
You will
Wolf,
not send me
your
to
time with your
jail.
client is over. I'm going to ask
You
you
will
kindly
not
to
send
leave
me
the
to
police
jail.
station.
No.
Unfortunately, going away.
I would like to say, if you want to send my client, if you want to send my clients to
inside the
jail,
Alps prison.
Du siger
if
ikke
you want
noget. Du siger
to,
ikke
if
noget.
you want to send my
Works
clients
will
to
Walk the
jail,
plank.
you put it,
And
give him some
Du
water
siger
and
ikke noget. Du siger
food.
ikke noget. Du siger
Keep
ikke
you
noget.
on the right path.
Please,
No.
if you're
Now,
sending my clients to jail, you need to give him some water and food first. Water and food.
Yes, sir. We
Yes,
will.
sir,
We
we
will.
will.
It's gonna be 2 donuts and 2 water bottles or maybe 2 coffee. And it's still against the law. What you're doing.
Bare sig, at der kommer retssag ud af det.
Hvad hedder det på engelsk?
There you go, sir. Some lovely donuts and water.
Okay.
You'll probably not last for that long with
Water.
all
I
that,
need
but it's
water.
alright.
I need water.
Bye bye, senor. Have a nice time.
Water.
Bare sig,
I
der
need
vil
water.
komme court case ud af det her, eller lawsuit. Nej, court case.
It's
I
gonna
need
be a
water.
court case out of this,
Water.
guys.
Oh, shit.
And I can remember you
I gave
two
you.
now.
I gave your lawyer some water and food. He can bring it to you when he's visiting you for the attorney.
No. You need to give him it right now at the first time when you send him to jail. That's the rules, and that's how it's going to be. Inside
I gave
jail.
it to
can
you,
gi-
man. I gave it to you. I gave
hang
you
on,
2
then
water.
I give it to him. Hang on.
Well, then that's then we're just gonna send him to jail if you're not giving him,
Yeah.
denying the facts. Jesus Christ.
Okay. See you. Hvor lang tid fik du, Hansen? 15
Okay.
minutter?
Ja.
Klar lige, hvad der er sket.
Jamen,
Ja,
altså,
men det behøver du slet ikke, fordi jeg går op i 18 mm, så får du det hele på video.
jeg går også over i 18. Se, stop.
Okay.
User was moved out of your channel. You were moved.
Hej Ulf.
Halløj.
Du sad support.
Yes, jeg vil gerne anklage Josef og Rupert for virkelig dårlig airplay.
Okay. What happened?
Jamen, Hansen han har jo fucket op i noget som til vanligt, så plejer han at lave den der, hvor han tilkalder en advokat. Og så skal advokaten prøve at redde hans røv, og det synes jeg klarer meget godt, men så prøver de bare at jalle udenom, og så prøver de at komme med alle de der, vi skal have ret, og så kommer vi bare med beviser, som ikke findes. Sådan noget som, at vi har politikameraer i bilen, og det har vi på den her film herovre. Så siger jeg så til ham, at det vil jeg gerne se, og så siger han bare, her der er en bærbar, og så siger jeg til ham, hvis du skal vise mig det, så vil jeg gerne se det på en YouTube-film. Så siger han så, at RP'et stopper, fordi jeg går ud for RP. Så får han så overvist, om vi skal fortsætte. Så kommer Joseph bare og siger, at de har ikke tid til at tage sagen nu, fordi de har slet ikke tid til at bla bla bla, så han bliver bare nødt til at sende ham i fængsel. Og så bliver MHB bare sendt i fængsel. Plus det, jeg beder om en masse beviser. De kan kun fremvise en pistol. Alle de andre beviser, de er væk. Så beder jeg mig at se magasinet, der er inde i pistolen, som der er skudt efter de politifolk. Det